Sully, you gave me a great idea. So here we are, virtual roulette. We're going to play the same rules as we did at dinner. First name that comes up, you're taken out, and so on and so on and so on until we have one winner. So let's see how this goes. First to be eliminated, let's see. Oh, I swear, not rigged, not rigged. Okay, so we'll remove JP. Next up, next to be removed. Don't be Sully. Don't land on Sully. Don't land on Sully. Damn it. Sully dodged a bullet. Doesn't seem fair, but I guess we gotta play by the rules. This is when Erin starts peeing her pants. Who is it gonna be? Who is it gonna be? Erin, you survived. You and Beth made it. Well, Tarun, thank you very much. IDS was incredible. We had a great time, and hope to see everyone in 2 years. I'll send you an updated invoice. Feel free to forward that on to Eric, Eloise. You never know, with the new invoice payment system, they may just go ahead and pay it.